Hello everyone. Today we are starting 1.4. So chapter 1 we are doing on. Up to 1.3 we have covered. You can watch the last videos. In this video the topic is solving linear system. Linear system mean the system of equation, the set of equations in which the variable has power 1, maximum power is 1. And why we are talking system, why we are saying system, because it's a more than one equations. So let's see, here we have to check what are the solutions and how to find the solutions, what are the possible solutions. Every system of equation has a three type of solutions types. The first type is unique solution or a one solution. One solution. One solution is look like, because we are working with the three variables x, y, z, three equation, three variables. What does it mean? It means we have a three planes. If three planes intersect at a one point, that point is the solution. Let's see how the plane look like. This is the plane where three planes intersect. They are intersecting at a one point, so the system has a unique solution or one solution. Next is infinite solution. Infinite solutions mean there are many points intersecting all three planes. So let's see its diagram will look like. Look at this. This is the plane 1, this is the plane 2, and this is the plane 3. All three planes are intersecting at this line, and one line has infinitely many points. One line has infinitely many points, so therefore it has infinitely many solutions. Next is a no solution. No solution. No solution, that means three planes are there. Maybe two planes intersect, maybe one plane intersect with the other, but not three exactly intersects. This is how it looks like. You can see this is the plane, this is the plane, they are intersecting at this, but not the third plane intersect here. This is the plane, this is the plane, but they are not intersecting here. All three are not intersect at a single point. This is a possible case, all three are parallel. This is the case where two are parallel and perpendicular to the third one, and this is the another case can possible in the case of no solution. So basically in the types of solution we have a three solutions, one solution, infinite solution, no solution. One solution mean all three planes intersect at a one point. Infinite solutions mean three planes intersect and it forms a line, so it infinite solution. No solution, the three planes cannot intersect at one time. They may be parallel, they may be perpendicular, they may be in this cross section, but not three are intersecting. Okay, so these were the types. We will now learn how to solve the system of equation to find the solutions. So here we have a system of equation, three equations are provided, we will solve it. First we will identify which variable we can eliminate easily. Here if I multiply 2 with 2 it becomes 4. If I multiply 2 with 3 it becomes 6. So middle equation can be used to remove x from these two. Middle equation still used to eliminate x in these two. So we will use this thing. Let's see. Multiply equation 2 with 2. It becomes 4x minus 3y. Instead of 2, I am multiplying with negative 2. So negative 4x plus 6y minus 10z equals to 14. Now add equation 1. I am writing the equation 1 as it is. So if I add, it becomes 0. If I add, it becomes 8y, and this becomes negative 7z equals to 26. Now I'm multiplying the equation 2 with negative 3 and I'm writing here 2 into negative 3, negative 6x, it's positive 9y, negative 15z equals to 21. Add these two equations. This cancel, this become 8y, 11z, and that is 18. So now I'm getting equation in y and z variable. X variable is eliminated. Equations are left with the two variables only. So it's your choice. Again, you can use elimination or you can use substitution. I will prefer elimination. I'm subtracting these two equations. First three equations are there. Mark it as a fourth equation. This is a fifth equation. Subtract equation 4 and 5. Subtract equation 4 and equation 5. 8y will cancel out. So in negative 11z, negative of negative 7z, it become negative 4z equals to 18 minus 26. It's a negative 8. So I will calculate and then we get here z is 2. As you get z2, substitute z value here. 8y minus 11 times 2 equals to 18. 8y minus 22 equals to 18. Equals to 18 plus 22. It becomes 40. Y is 5. I got y 5. As I got z value and y value, you have a choice. You can substitute y and z in this, or in this. So substitute in the first one. 4x 2 times y is a 5, plus 3 times z is 2 equals to 12. So 4x plus 10 plus 6 equals to 12. 4x plus 16 equals to 12. 4x equals to 12 minus 16 is negative 4. 4x is negative 4, so x is negative 1. Done. We solved that. X is negative 1, y is 5, and z is 2. So this was the case where we have one solution. Solution is negative 1, 5, and 2. Where x, y, z equals to this. Okay. So we did an example in which it has a one solution. Let's do the next one. So see, in this case, equations are given. I will again use the same thing. You can compare either one of the variable you have to eliminate. I multiply the equation number 1 with negative 5. Because negative 5 into 5, 5x cancel. It become negative 5x, negative 5y, negative 5z equals to negative 10. And the second equation as it is, 5x plus 5y plus 5z equals to 3. Add equations. If I add, this cancel. This also get cancel. And last variable also cancel. Nothing left. And here it's a negative 7. Is it possible 0 is equals to negative 7? No. 0 cannot be equals to negative 7. So this means this system has no solution. You don't need to check for other values. You don't need to solve any other. Up to this, you can just say no solution. Okay. Next example, you see. Here, I'm subtracting equation 1 and equation 2. I'm subtracting equation 1 and 2. X and x cancel. Y and y also cancel. If I subtract these two, I will get 2z. 2z equals to negative 3 and negative positive. Negative 3, positive 3, 0. Okay. So 2z equals to 0. I'm getting z equals to 0. As I got z0, substitute z0. X minus y equals to negative 3. Second equation become x minus y, again negative 3. Third equation become 5x minus 5y equals to negative 15. To make question easy, I can divide the third equation with 5. I divide by 5, x minus y equals to -3. It's all three equations are giving you same. So what I will do, just solve here. X equals to -3 plus y. Done. You are getting the solution x, y, z, in which x is -3 plus y is y, and z is 0. Whatever y I choose, x will be selected accordingly. Y value -3 will be the x value, and z is 0 in each case. In this question, z is 0, y is what we have choose, and x is depend upon what y we are choosing. So how many choices we have for y? Y can be any real number, so we have total infinitely many choices. So in this case, system of equation has infinitely many solution. So I'm writing infinite many solutions. Okay, so in this video we covered type of the solutions and how to solve the system of equation. Here if I'm comparing x values, it's your choice. You can compare the y values. Multiply this y with 2 and subtract these two equations. Multiply the equation y with -3 and subtract from the second equation. In this case, y variable is eliminated from the all three. Okay, so 1.4 is completed here. In the next video, we will complete review chapter 1. Alright, thanks for watching.